Breaking SHIB is being raised to 10 cents by Coinbase and BlackRock in a significant move. One of the first cryptocurrency exchanges to be listed on Nasdaq and one of the oldest, Coinbase, just announced a partnership with the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock. Today, we'll discuss the cooperation between Coinbase and BlackRock and why it's excellent for the Shiba Inu currency. Thus, keep watching because today's video is going to be a bomb. Let's look at the graphic before we discuss our topic. Shiba Inu's price exhibits a lack of positive momentum, which caused its recent uptrend to reverse. As a result, SHIB is anticipated to reverse recent gains and decline before retesting a crucial support level. At 11%, she was the new price leader. To attack the fair value gap, FVG, extending from 83 cents to 92 cents on October 13th, because of the day's highly volatile occurrence. As a result of this occurrence, which is a bullish whacked follow-up, she recovered the losses and the stock closed higher than its opening price. SHIB's new pricing has been fluctuating as a result. If the price of Bitcoin does not remain stable and initiate a rebound, the chip will probably keep losing weight. The FVG lower limit is at 83 cents, which is near the point of control. At 81 cents, the level with the biggest volume of trading since May 2021, this is one of the important levels to keep an eye on. One of these levels might be an excellent spot to recheck for accumulation. Investors anticipate a reversal in the Shiba Inu's pricing if the market conditions have improved. According to market makers, the equal highs at 179 cents would be a good place to start unloading because this move would result in gains of about 119% and is probably where the main coin's upside is limited. On the other hand, the bullish argument will be refuted if the Shiba Inu price achieves a daily candlestick closure below the POC at 81 cents. In such a scenario, the new price of GB might decline and retest the support level of 74 cents. Now let's return to the subject. BlackRock's institutional clients will be able to manage their portfolios, primarily Bitcoin for the time being, on the same platform that hosts the Aladdin end-to-end investment management tool with exposure to assets on the Coinbase. Simply put, Coinbase will give institutional investors access to cryptocurrencies using BlackRock's investment management platform. The method relies heavily on the exchange's institutional investing arm, Coinbase Prime, which will also offer services. The partnership is significant for the cryptocurrency industry because BlackRock, the largest asset manager in the world with more than $9 trillion in assets under management, is paving the way for institutional adoption of cryptocurrencies and has chosen to give its clientele new entry points into the world of decentralized finance. Hence, even if the move is highly praised by the crypto community, Coinbase shares, which were struggling to drop 77% in 2022, increased by 30% in the weeks prior to this announcement, and have stayed there ever since. The fact that Coinbase is embroiled in legal issues and is under investigation by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, for allegedly allowing its American customers to trade tokens that ought to have been registered as securities has undoubtedly raised some eyebrows. It is still to be seen whether BlackRock's connections to the U.S. Federal Reserve and other important institutions will enable Coinbase to escape its legal predicament. After all, during the two worst crises of this millennium, the 2008 recession and the 2020 coronavirus epidemic, the Fed requested BlackRock's expertise. BlackRock was given the task of managing the toxic assets that it had bought from failed financial companies in 2008, including AIG, Bear Stearns, Freddie Mac, etc. Also, the Fed chose 2020 to oversee government relief spending while also buying billions of dollars worth of debt from significant firms that were impacted by the pandemic. Cryptocurrencies, or as BlackRock refers to them, digital assets, have long piqued the company's interest. The business took part as an investor in the $400 million venture investment round earlier this year for Circle Internet Financial, the parent firm of the second largest stablecoin in US dollars. Along with many other top financial firms, it has also been claimed that BlackRock is looking into the potential applications of cryptocurrencies for managing stablecoin reserves, asset tokenization, and blockchains. As far-fetched as it may seem at the moment, BlackRock's political clout and its stake in lobbying the EU and Congress can help introduce reasonable regulations giving greater credit to the crypto market in the world's largest economy. Possibly many other regions with. Let's discuss the 5.3 billion Shibumi that have been produced since July. Since July, various transactions have burned more than 5.3 billion SHIB, according to data from the Shipper and Twitter accounts. The Shibarium tracker recorded around 135,418,982 SHIB tokens burned and 21 transactions in the previous day. Shipper and set the entire amount of Shibarium at 613,214,213 tokens during the past 7 days. As you today reported, a staggering 4,762,745,494 SHIB tokens were distributed to dead wallets with 505 transactions, according to the Shibarium movement. This raises the total amount of Shibium produced since the start of July to more than 5.3 billion. This number may currently be a little higher because the burn tracker recently reported a transaction carrying millions of Shibarium shortly after reporting 24-hour Shibarium volumes. Additionally, the burn tracker also recently reported single transactions of 3,685,740 SHIB and 500,000 tokens transferred to dead wallets. Transferring tokens to a burn address or to dead wallets will remove them from circulation indefinitely. Prices are thought to benefit from any potential scarcity brought on by burning, despite not always being insured. Shiba Inus experienced a gain of 13.4% in July, the highest since February 2022. The Shiba Inu burns may have had a negligible effect in certain ways because there is still much to learn. Even if 5.3 billion Shiba appears to be a sizable sum, Shibarium only amounts to roughly $64,000 in this case. As you today reported, she acquired a new lead developer named Shytoshi Kusama, who seems to have one apparent prerequisite for significant Shiba Inu burns, being a genuine community endeavor. According to him, the initiative is progressing in various ways. While hopeful that the timing is ideal, he warns that this might take some time. The price movement of the cryptocurrency markets, however, is still entirely speculative given the current macroeconomic worries. Alright, bye for now. Also, we would like to point out that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice and that we are not urging you to invest in any particular business. This is just a route used to deliver instructional material to your door. In light of this, we advise conducting an extensive, all-encompassing study on the subject before making any purchases. We trust you enjoyed the video. If you are a shareholder, please let us know in the comments below. Also, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. I'll see you again at Crypto Insider.